So, like, people they label you as a vendetta selector.
Yeah, man, what you say?
So, like that did hinder you from getting like booked for certain events.
Listen me, it's not just people label me. I am a vendetta youth.
Yeah.
Understand me? I say, listen, you know, remember, we rate and bus. Most of them artists are where you see bus in a certain era, like 2015, 2014, come up, you know, brother. And we help.
Yeah, man, in the streets, man.
You understand me, I say, brother? And enough of them through the vendetta thing, them draw away from me. Yeah, it trust me.
But why not?
G. Yes, man. We can call him name right now, because them know me as a boy on my stage. So I say, man, go around thing, dog. I can tell you, even Masicka, bro, like I was my dog.
I'm gonna rate Alkaline still.
You cannot rate me, one.
Oh no.
Come and pull up in the game so them a melt. One champion, me knock them out and take the belt.
Welcome back to another episode of Vibes and Insight with Nando, with yours truly, Nando Boss and I Building. So I have this topic here where I'm stating that these two fellow artists, Chronicler and Masicka, Badmind Alkaline, and here's the reason why I'm going to say they're Badmind Alkaline. Now, we see Ikel Marvelous came out on an interview with him and Chris Genius, and he was stating that back when Alkaline had just came out on the scene and he had did the intro for Alkaline song, and he was stating some stuff. He was reminiscing on the history back then when Alkaline just came on the scene and how him get introduced to Alkaline and how him get do the introduction with Alkaline on his World Them song. And he was saying a lot of stuff, and me have some clippings compilation together, and me I go state my true opinion on this whole thing as it pertains to Masicka and Chronicler, why them Badmind Alkaline, and me I give you my own point of view, and me I go play the Ikel Marvelous. And remember, remember to like, share and subscribe to the channel, and share your thoughts in the comment section, and always keep that post notification bell on. So let's just jump right into it. And the first introduction, if y'all don't know, the introduction for the song that Ikel Marvelous will be stating into this interview, I'm going to play the introduction for you guys so you guys can get the drift of what I'm talking about. Yeah, gets right to it.
All infinite, all centipede, all crosses. I wanna try well done, boy. Wanna not like me? Me first never like uno. I wanna Alkaline. You see that song, yeah?
So that's the introduction for the Ikel Marvelous song. So I'm going to get to the video for you guys to see and hear what Ikel Marvelous has said as it pertains to Alkaline. So let's get right to it.
Flight in last flight out. Vice versa.
And the price you have to pay for do it. To be somebody great. Alkaline, words of Alkaline.
That is it.
Talking about Alkaline, what going on now? Like, how did you guys met Alkaline? How the link them make? How the link them come out?
No. ZJ Wawa, big up yourself again. ZJ Wawa keep up on my business. Out a skate and out a window and do out my place.
Yeah.
I know me a big God for you out there.
Yeah,
so you have to God on the show, right?
Yeah.
So we go send now bombs now, them time they Creech now. We did send Creech a road and thing. You know Creech?
Yeah man.
So Creech a host it. So the man must say Creech a go call on Alka. So Creech, alright, me and Little Shabba did I do that show then? So one for one, you know, bro.
Yeah.
I mean, I tell you, say, we are lift up the place, you know. Shabba, lift up the place, you know. Me, I lift up the place, you know. And I say, no, man. Shabba go like him, come from a town, so. They say, my brother still it up. Stays I run out, man, them and say, paper, pop, pep. And some jump on the court. And Shabba say, hey, boy, you're funny. Shabba, man, you're bad, too, man. They say,
Yeah.
Alkaline book for the show, you know. So after that, now, I know say for every stage, you know, bro, you have to have a DJ where him bring up the bar, you know, so the artist can get that energy there from the crowd, you know, bro. You can have the daddy man out
as in an entertainer.
Yes, you can have the daddy man out perform before the big artists come on, you know.
Yeah.
It can shake up the artist performance.
Yeah, true. So you have to build up that momentum there.
And them say, yo, Preach I go call on Alkaline. And I no disrespect to Preach because our youth is it.
Yeah.
But the way I call on and my talk is like him not project him words and properly not talk up loud.
Energy.
So me I say, him can't, me say, wow, him cannot call on the artist, you know. Them time that the youth hot, you know, him yeah, black him ear, cream out, everything, you know.
Which year that? 2013 or
13,
14?
man, 13.
13. Yeah, man, just like,
Yeah,
he
me
just
tell
like
you.
the big song them there.
You understand me? I say, him not nice there, you know.
Yeah, man.
And Chris the drummer, them and Dan Lee, you know. Me did that.
Dan Lee?
Yeah, Dan Lee. You know Dan Lee where you support TJ?
Yeah,
Alright, I hear you, man.
Oh.
Some fans, you know. I'm gonna stop this. I'm gonna start chatting. Me and Matt, this, you know, bro. I tell you, say, yo, the crowd are dead laughing, you know, me say, people. Me don't know if you're not soon tonight, as he hear them black. I'm gonna chat up back and think, bro, so where's the people, bro? Scale on ramming on my father. Alkaline, first time this out of East Kingston, you know, bro. Me I tell you, say, people are jumping wrong, you know. Let me come live on stage. Lord, other than Alkaline.
So basically then, the intro there alone, you don't have to do much, you know.
Listen me now.
You know that?
You said the dog was what I hear. Everywhere we go, we get girl easy, everybody, you know. Great.
Easy.
You
What?
said the space on them and lock down the place. Sure don't know space and gone me yard. Next day, you know, see my phone a ring. Come here, tell them I'm on a car, and then stop me there.
Yeah.
Taxi used to bring me around, you have so we have a 10 taxi where you know, say they when you call one, time my taxi man line up.
Yeah.
When you call one, him busy, and when I say, 10 minutes, and I'm so we have to have them, you know. Get my phone ring, my father. Yo, DJ, say, hey, how this? Not nice, man.
Yeah.
Remember me see Not Nice last night?
Yeah.
But me a kind of hype, you know, come and say Not Nice, I call my phone.
Oh, you
I
win.
said, which Not Nice this?
Because I'm one
But you say Not Nice, man, I do, man.
No, more than one, not
No, man, I'm sure
nice.
one Alliance,
You
Not
want the
Nice, you
Alliance
know.
too, yes.
But me I say, I make sure say Not Nice,
No, but you know say that the one there.
Me know, you know, but more I make sure say this is Not Nice, you know.
Yes, man.
So this is and say Not Nice, and I say, hey, I do them in general.
Yeah.
Nice.
So him a give on a whole history rundown with Alkaline. And see my people, so we just make him go and talk and then we get to the heat of the moment, the real part away a cast, a whole lot of things. So let me hear where finish what him a say.
Call my phone and I say, hey, so you know, say DJ when you intro a song, you know, when I talk to you know, but me, you know, when I myself, you know, I don't know which DJ I talk to father. Alkaline, man, I say, hey, you're excited, man, I go around here, you know.
Yeah, but you have to hold
But you have to hold your
composure.
composure, because remember, me a big thing to you know, dog, you see me?
Yeah.
I say, yo, I'm not drive, you know, dog, how that go? Dog, I say, yo, take your cab and forward, man, we deal with everything, man. I say, when? Dog, I say, alright, now, I say, hey, give me address there.
Yeah.
Yes, I'm calling 5 cabby. No, I can't be them. I said, this song that I want over there, I say, what is mommy?
Yeah, we call it one time or something.
Yes, sir. Call it, I'm dog, they must say, just a drop off. Some people are really say, alright, then forward. No, brother, Alkaline, I call me, the man say, Alkaline, never meet Alkaline. I say, forward you back and everything. Picture everything, tell him, be right. Now I excited, I run forward. Reach up there and go in the studio, bro, and see dog, I don't know, my rate dog, you know. You understand?
Yeah.
Too, you know?
Yeah.
So man, them say some play the track. All the thing them have on the track was Bella right, Molly pussy dead. Still a make money and me still a fuck one bag of girl bully. You can say that, right?
Yeah, man, I was man.
You know.
I'm sure that you know.
Yeah.
Good.
So, the station here. How we do it? Them I wonder how we do it. The station say play it again. Boom. Sunshine rhythm.
Yeah, man, hold them ready,
Yeah,
man.
ready, man. Boom. So I say, yo. I say, yo. Ready, you know. And I say, eh, sure. I say, yeah, man. Rolling this up.
Now, one thing I can say is that over the years, a lot of producers or a lot of DJs had so much done for them from Alkaline when he was just a freshman in his career. He never did big like that. But him do so much for some of them, and them grateful feet, and them come out and them talk. Remember, we have another guy, when brother named DJ Banker came out as well, saying some good stuff, some positive stuff about Alkaline. Sometimes you wonder why the people hate him, but it's just that them hate with him not understand him because they think he's hype or him too much on himself, them feel the need to hate him, and also that he's great. And them sometimes people don't like greatness. Them like for shun greatness or them like boycott greatness. So that are some of the things when it comes to Alkaline. Why he made us say, yo, them not like him. But we are get right down more and more in this whole topic here. Why Chronic Law and Masicka and a lot more artists, but it's just that these guys are more mainstream and out there and prominent out there, so everybody know of them. But we've seen a lot of hatred as it pertains to them and Alkaline. We've seen them, you know, them the way when time people talk about Alkaline, you see how they react to it. And me have some clippings for sure. And trust me, people, you not gonna miss nothing. Just stay tuned and check it and look on it. And yes me.
Remember, you know, one time the DJ got some woman sing, "Aren't you, baby?" And I bash my DJ and say,
Yeah. Remember them time
you see
there?
me? I said, John Star.
2014 them
Yeah,
time.
I said, no, Jaja, thing good, man. I said, 40, man. I fix up things, man. All nastiness, all junk, all crosses. I will not try hold on boy. Who no like it? I mean, first never like you know. I know Alkaline. You see that song here? It turn. Well, alright, hold it. What that? No, you see one of them stays off there. Before I put on the turn, I never put on the turn. You see not left here. I'm still some step over, but them say mad, but put on your signature.
Yeah.
Well, back I'm put on the turn and the man say, yo, that mad, we need one for the radio. I said, radio? Look at this slow.
So two version in there.
Yes, man.
Just the radio. I mean, I say, let's go in there and say, all invalid.
Exactly, people. So that's it for that clip. So we have the other clip for play for Uno, so Uno can get the drift at this also. So let me hear
You
it.
can go countries.
Yeah.
You can go places, limousine. Me that play on tracks one at the time. You understand?
Yeah.
It look good for me. You understand me? I say, I'm a rate him. I'm the only first artist call me and say, yo, intro that song here. You understand me? I say, I make
So things in the anime, yeah, on still good.
you know something cool, but let me tell you about Alaka now. It's just a man with him not too... He's different, bro.
Yeah.
When I say Alkaline, them on the thing different.
I don't have no problem, we are no enemy, but we know they pan of phone every day.
Yeah, man, I know them
You
guys.
understand me? I say, you just
Yeah.
know say, yo, I DJ that, him a doing thing out with.
Yeah, you understand me.
Yeah,
So
I don't like say we have no kick-off there, or boy Ikel or boy Alkaline. No disrespect, isn't it?
Oh, for real, man.
Man, we rate every artist, so you know that too.
Yeah, man.
So this is the clip where Ikel Marvelous are gonna get down to the meat of the matter why enough artists bantan him thing because of Alkaline. And as Alkaline stated in a majority of him song, it's like when they remember him, them get nauseous. It's like every time they remember it's hard for them to know say somebody either greater than them in their business or have more impact than them. Them just eat the man on a different level. And Ikel Marvelous, I gotta tell you why them bantan him, and it's because of Alkaline.
Yeah, man, the music was saying.
Yeah, music was saying,
Yeah, man,
and
music was
when me apart Alkaline, he never look at me at them say, dog, you apart with me, then you can't play them and
Yeah.
He never did that.
You hear what the man?
True.
So
When you hear what the man say, pull up back that. The man say when him a par with Alkaline or when him a do anything for Alkaline, Alkaline never once yet tell him say, yo, you can't play a certain artist, you can't rare. You see me? So the fact that him either voice for Alkaline or him either do dub or whatever for Alkaline, and the other artists them on the other hand, a bantan for him thing for show you say, bro, them hate the man, them bad mind the man on a whole different level. But them just bad mind with them don't know, cause in a sense them know say you great enough, but it's just that them can't help it.
He never did that.
True.
So I respect that film to me international, you know, Team Chella, we are doing things differently from being around
Yeah. So question, what are some of the challenges you face in the music? Because what you know, you enjoy something for Alkaline, so you know say at the time, you know say Alkaline on face the boy. So like people they label you as a vendetta selector.
Yeah, man, myself.
So like that did hinder you from getting like booked for certain events.
Listen, man, it's not just people label me. I am a vendetta youth.
Yeah.
Understand what I say? Listen, you know, remember, we rate and bus. Most of them artists are bus in a certain era, like 2015, 2014, come up in a million. And we help
Yeah, man, in the streets, man. No,
Yeah, that's what I say,
yeah,
brother. And enough of them through the vendetta thing, them drive away from me. Yeah, it trust me.
But why
That's
no?
not-
Why?
Me don't know why, because them and him have a problem. So them just know saying, why I kill a strip.
But him say them and him have a problem, but I don't think so, cause they never had a problem with him. No, not they never. He never had a problem with him, with them. They had a problem with him. It's just his whole presence causing them to have a problem with him and don't like him. I remember there's a clip where Masicka was saying that I like him song, but I don't rate Alkaline. And that is some of the things why I say people, the man hate Alkaline. And me have those clipping and me I go play them after this clip you done.
Yeah, boy, you know them look away there.
Yeah,
You know them talk,
yeah.
And no spray, man, and bro, come here tell you like me and so much of them usually be good, like real G. Yes, man. We can't call him name right now, because them know he's a boy on mistakes. So me
Yeah, man, yeah, man.
around thing that me can tell you, even Masicka, bro, like I was
Me no rate Alkaline still.
You the man say even Masicka, the man say him can't call them name because them know him not afraid. Even Masicka banter them thing because of Alkaline. Now that is crazy, people. You know say that crazy? To this day, Masicka I hate for Alkaline because in him, me know Masicka knows say Alkaline more potent than him, or as it may say, more musically intellect than him. So maybe that's why I hate him. And again, remember when Masicka did in a game, you know, Alkaline bust before Masicka, but Masicka was in the game at the same time of Alkaline, but because Alkaline went mainstream before him, I remember people were saying that Masicka was an iron balloon, and even Demarco was saying that Masicka was an iron balloon, and there was so much.
Corey need for though. Corey need for invest in a product, like how Corey invest in a product for conscience, but for Masicka, and call it is like a nylon card for fishermen, and say Masicka's nylon. Hard to bust. You see me? Can you go a nylon card hard for bust?
There was so much of that surrounding him name. So if you see Alkaline pan the scene and do it bigger than him, knowing say him and him came on the scene at the same time. Cause remember say Masicka just start getting rain now, but now in around 2024 or 2025 now he might get a good rain. But you can say yeah, he might do him thing. But remember he's in the game more than 10 years now, and to see that him just get the rain now. I kind of understand why I hate him or why I badmind him, but at the same time, why you go badmind the next man, bro, for nothing at all, just because he might do it better than you?
Yeah.
Till him all of you make reference in a song and say, I knock out the heavyweight champion.
Come pull up in the game so them a melt. One champion, me knock them out and take the belt.
So yo, him till a slightly a shade and I take jabs at Alkaline. And Alkaline, when Alkaline step to him nah answer.
Open a brain, lift like a crane. Mac 11 clad try side when he aim. Silent killer, right at your lane. Oh you say you bad, you just suppose.
Tell me I say flabber them, make me know them to a flabber them neighbor, the whole thing, where. And from that, bro, like me I reach out to my dog, I tell me, yo, link me tomorrow, man, by the time I link my dog tomorrow. Yeah, you know, we have a student look more by the time I link back to come on, nothing. I mean, I feel like, say, I'm on for the Ikel marvelous, that. Do some look a waste boy, that. So I see Ikel man, do that to me now, I say, okay.
They don't pick up on you and know
Yeah,
say
me
as a
pick up on it
stylist.
and I just chill out and know, say, me I play on the song, see me, I can go and do over.
Yeah.
I mean, I make it be a big issue to me, bro. You understand what I say? Enough man, they are all chronic. I remember we was chronic the real way, you know, you can tell you, know.
We share that.
I will share that. I'm 21, 18, 17 to 18, one of them here, then.
Which one I song then?
Inside.
John?
Inside.
No chronicler, I don't know why him hate Alkaline or why him wouldn't say Badmind Alkaline, but we all remember the Six Clash and thing, and remember say them have them affiliates with Vibes Cartel and the Gaza and so forth. So me understand why he wouldn't hate him, because you know Alkaline very much predominant in a dancehall, and knowing say yo, his lyrical capability can't surpass Alkaline, right? Because him lyrical, but his sound is so monotonous, mediocre sound, because he continuously sings in the same flow, the same style to this day. So even though people may say yeah, him a dancehall therapist and him sing some music where touch your heart or whatever, because whoever go through trauma and pain can relate to it, but his sound hasn't grown none tall. So maybe we wanna understand why he hate Alkaline, because Alkaline lyrical than him.
Hillside,
Yeah.
and then the government badness found off.
Yeah, man, I good after government badness fall, man. I inside, because we don't go at the show. We show the out of Morning Bliss.
Morning Bliss, yeah.
Oh, Junior
Bloodline.
So,
Like that, yeah, they want.
so I have a clip here, so with Chronic, no, not Chronic, like Masicka a state say him the rate Alkaline. So me I go play it for Uno, and Uno tell me what they think. Uno see the true energy where him a show out for Alkaline, and me I go play it for Uno, so Uno can see why him not like Alkaline. I don't know why, but it's a clear sign that him not like Alkaline because Alkaline either greater than him or more greater than him.
We don't rate Alkaline still.
Exactly. If him say him not rate Alkaline, right? Because of what I don't know, but me play over the clippings. As well, when you see it, you know, it's been a thing brewing over the years with Alkaline and Masicka, but Masicka been a run from the whole thing. As well, Alkaline say, if you don't rate me, war me. If you don't rate me, war me.
Rate Alkaline still.
It's like every time these guys hear about Alkaline name, them get nauseous, right? Them get so nauseous in a sense. And me I go play a Chronic Law clip. Me I go play a Chronic Law clip for Uno, so Uno can get the drift of why when them man hear about Alkaline, them just they don't know, they get nauseous, bro.
Alkaline thing, we know say you're not a big fan of Alkaline, but you know, we just love it. Yeah. He just love it.
The man them the rate Alkaline because from my point of view, it's just that the dog great. And time them take jobs at Alkaline, no think it's a people that notice, but because you great and them just don't like him because of whatever reason. But we have Chronic Law here, so again on a stage show, I call out, I say, yo, Uno switch it because this next week Uno said him, the next week Uno said the blind boy. So clearly show say, yo, them like take jobs at Alkaline and them like him for whatever reason.
A few moments later.
I'm looking for a fuck to give, but I got none. You care zero. Fuck of them.
Oh, I'm gonna put the clip on the screen. Let me put the clip on the screen to show now. That's the sound, but let me play it again so they can see.
A few moments later.
I'm looking for a fuck to give, but I got none. You care zero. Fuck of them.
Alkaline doesn't give one damn if them hate him. It's just that them hate him because you great in a whole different way. Because trust me people, musically speaking, Alkaline better than these two artists where you see on the screen. And which is why Alkaline continuously taught them with lyrics and taught them with his whole style. So for sure them say, yo, whoa now do a matches back settings with the brain minuscule. So with the care grow up musically, but man constantly are showing up say, yo, who do not reach a level of musical yet. So at that are the problem with Alkaline. So this is a song where Alkaline was taking aim at Masicka because he must say, Masicka, you constantly come out and say, you know, rate me and you try style me thing, but yet still when me take jobs at you nah run out. But hold on, let me find this song for you. Exactly. Alkaline say, oh, you say you're bad. You're just a pose, picture frame. So it's a whole thing going on, and I doubt it's going to ever stop. I doubt it's ever going to stop between most of these artists why them hate Alkaline, because trust me people, Alkaline impact is so phenomenal. A lot of artists have the impact also, but it's not so predominant like how Alkaline own is. So as we said, them hate him for no reason but because he's great and because he has the people and he is the one that keeps going up against the Vibes Cartel, or his name being compared to Vibes Cartel so much so, you know already, man, a Vibes and Insight with Nanda. I'm just bring my 2 cents and give my insight and play the clippings with Ikel Marvelous stating why they banter him think because him rate Alkaline or he does work with Alkaline. So that is it. And you know already, man. I saw it go. A Vibes and Insight with Nando. I'm out. Peace. Until the next time. Man.